my master project, Thinking Like a Yeast Spore, I created a sculptural installation using ceramic vessels and leveling sourdough. I explored topics such as materiality, multi-species cohabitation, and the act of making as a form of growth. Working with both clay and sourdough takes time and care. You have to build a relationship with both materials, pay constant attention, and have a sense of curiosity. Attributes which are much needed in a time when the ecological crisis forces us to reevaluate our relationship with the material world.